Hi, welcome back to the Carsnouva Channel. Now, we're excited to talk about the new 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio crossover's attractive style and outstanding agility make it ideal for drivers who value curb appeal and driving characteristics. Its balanced chassis and snappy turbo 4 provide power like a V6. An 8-speed transmission that shifts quickly matches the engine. Base Sprint models have rear-wheel drive, whereas all others have all-wheel drive. We liked the Stelvio's design and performance, but not its luxury and usefulness. The 8.8-inch infotainment screen and cabin materials are inferior to the Genesis GV70, which is cheaper. The BMW X3 has 10 cubic feet more behind the seats. For shoppers who like its sporty Italian flair, the Stelvio is worth considering despite its practicality issues. Before we start, please click the like button and subscribe button to stay up to date on all things automotive. Watch out! The Stelvio gets a new 12.3-inch digital gauge panel in 2026. You can set it to one of 3 modes: Evolved, Relaxed, or Heritage. Alfa has made some minor modifications to the front bumper. Alfa has repositioned the logo and altered the 2 bottom air vents. The Italian SUV now boasts cool new headlights with LED matrix technology and 3+3 accent lights. These lights give the Stelvio the same look as the new, smaller Tonale. The new taillights feature a unique arrangement of LED parts. Also, Alfa has added a new top-of-the-line model called Competizione. It has better interior details, a matte moonlight gray paint jobs, and the adaptive suspension system from the faster Quadrifoglio model. The Stelvio's 8-speed automated transmission and turbocharged 4-cylinder produced 280 horsepower. The engine proved fast in testing and regular driving, and we liked its sensitive throttle and smooth power delivery. Its eager, raspy exhaust sounds are suitable for this application. The Quadrifoglio, which we assess separately, offers more thrills. The base model has rear-wheel drive, but the rest of the lineup has all-wheel drive. Towing is 3,000 pounds. Stelvio has a dynamic powertrain, agile handling, and a comfortable ride. Even with 20-inch wheels, the version we tested isolated most bumps. Even though its maximum cornering grip is comparable, the Alfa dominates driving engagement. Shared with the Giulia sedan, the chassis boasts smooth damping. The Stelvio's steering isn't as crisp as the Giulia's, but it's light and quick for a crossover. The Stelvio has a stylish cabin and a comfortable driving position, just like the Giulia sedan. Sportier models can incorporate carbon fiber trim, while wood carvings offer a more upscale appearance. The front seats are supportive and made of leather. The dashboard, doors, and center panel all have attractive aluminum accents. With a small trunk behind the back seat, the Stelvio isn't the most roomy SUV in this group, but it does have some useful storage tricks up its sleeve. We liked that the Alfa had a useful smartphone slot between the cup holders and the tray next to the driver's left knee, even though the other storage spaces were only average. Additionally, the middle console features a removable tray. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.